Hi there, welcome to this series of Vue.js, and in this section we will see the basic structure of the Vue.js application, and also we will see how we can include Vue.js in our application. So let's start. Alright then, let's understand the basic structure of Vue.js application. Now in general, in Vue application there will be an instance which is nothing but an object of Vue, and you can create as many objects as you want, but keep in mind that each object represents a separate Vue application. Okay, now under that instance there can be a main component which is also known as parent component. Now don't worry, we will see how we can create instance and what is main component or component in upcoming sections. But now here inside this main component there can be several subcomponents or child components. So basically this is a tree structure, like this subcomponent or child component can have again several subcomponents or child components. Okay, so let's see an example of this structure. So here is our root instance, and let's say we are creating a product management app. Okay, and let's consider this as a main component or parent component. Now in product management there can have several options like add product to show a list of products, then edit product, and then delete product. So under this main component, or I should say product management component, there should have at least two subcomponents, which is products and add product. Now this product subcomponent or child component is representing each or single product item. Okay, and again this product component can have two more components, which is edit product and delete product. So overall that was the basic structure of Vue application. Now let's see how we can include Vue.js into our application. Alright, so before we start, I want you to know that I am using Sublime Text Editor. You can use your favorite text editor, that's all okay. Now let's create a simple HTML file under this introduction folder. So let's create a new file and let's name it as index.html. Now to create a simple HTML boilerplate, you can type HTML tag and then hit enter. So that's it. Now let's give a title. Let's say Vue.js introduction, and let's simply give a h2 tag which says welcome to the Vue.js. Okay, so this is our basic HTML file, and let's include Vue.js here. So how we can do that? Now you can go to your browser and type this URL, which is vuejs.org. You can also find this link under the description section of this video. So by this URL you will be get landed on this page. Okay, now let's click on get started. Let's click on installation, and let's scroll down a bit, and then you can copy this script tag which has this CDN. Now you can copy this script tag and paste it in your HTML file. So let's paste it here. So that's all, our Vue.js is successfully included in our HTML file. Now how we can verify if Vue.js is really included in our HTML file or not? So for that, simply open this file in your browser. So now right click and click on inspect, and then open the console section. So now you should see you are running Vue in development mode. So this means our Vue is successfully loaded in our HTML file. So that's it for this section. In the next section we will discuss about Vue instance. Till then, if you enjoy this video, please leave a like and please subscribe to my channel.